During meditation, brainwave patterns tend to shift, and different states of consciousness are associated with distinct patterns of brain activity. These brainwave patterns are categorized into different frequency bands, and they are measured using an electroencephalogram, EEG. Here are the primary brainwave states commonly associated with meditation. Beta waves, 1440 Hz. These are the brainwaves associated with normal waking consciousness and active thinking. When the mind is engaged in active thought and alertness, beta waves dominate. Alpha waves, 713 Hz. Alpha waves are associated with a relaxed and calm state of mind. They are often observed when a person is awake but in a state of relaxation, such as during meditation or when daydreaming. Theta waves, 47 Hz. Theta waves are connected to a deeper state of relaxation, meditation, and creativity. They are often associated with the early stages of sleep and can also be experienced during deep meditation or deep visualization exercises. Delta waves, 0.54 Hz. Delta waves are the slowest brain waves and are primarily associated with deep sleep and unconsciousness. However, experienced meditators can sometimes exhibit delta wave patterns while in a very deep meditative state. Gamma waves, 4100 Hz. Gamma waves are relatively high frequency brain waves associated with heightened states of awareness, focus, and cognitive processing. Some research suggests that experienced meditators might also exhibit gamma wave patterns during advanced meditation practices. During meditation, individuals often aim to transition from the active beta state to the more relaxed alpha, theta, or even delta states. The specific brainwave patterns experienced can vary depending on the individual, the meditation technique being used, and the depth of the meditative state achieved. It's important to note that the field of neurofeedback and the study of brainwave patterns in meditation are still evolving, and researchers continue to explore the nuances of these patterns and their implications for mental and emotional well-being.